Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today to share my June scrapbooking store kit. I am excited. I just got it in the mail, and I wanted to share it with you before I create my first layout and send it off to my design team. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. La 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 la. This is the collection we are using, America, from Lori Whitlock, and it is an Echo Park collection, and it looks super cute. I can't wait to dive into it. First, I'll show you, we'll start with the embellishments. So this is the upgrade kit. This is what you get if you purchase the extra kit. So there's the main kit, and then there's the add-on kit, which adds on embellishments to your kit every month. So first off, we have these cute USA themed stickers from Stiko. And I don't know about you, but I love stars. So I'm definitely going to be using all of those. And the firework ones are fun too. And I like the heart. It's cute. Then we also got some Stiko stickers, these ones. So these ones are puffy stickers. I don't know if you can tell, but they are puffy stickers, and they're little, they have a little bit of height on them. These are just flat stickers, and they look, I don't think, they're not translucent, but they're pretty thin. So those of you that like thin stickers will love these. They're super cute. They have a lot of stars too. I love this cute little banner. And then we also got the Pebbles printed cardstock and vellum shapes. So here are all of the shapes that are in this collection. You got flowers, and then you have fireworks and stars and the flag and the Liberty Bell, buffalo, and of course the United States and the word USA, and then just a bunch of fun, cute little embellishments. I love that they added a couple food items too: ice cream, watermelon, and cherries. So super fun. Okay. So those are the embellishments. That kit is the kit that you get if you buy the upgrade add-on every month. If you don't get the upgrade and you just get the main kit, but you want to buy the upgrade or add the upgrade, I would suggest emailing, going on our website and contacting us. I think we have a contact us button, or I'll leave links below, and I'll leave the email below too, because I'm not exactly sure what the customer service email is. Or if you just instant message scrapbookingstore.com on Facebook, they'll message you back, and you can, that's kind of the nice thing. They do actually have a lot of things set up to be able to contact them however is easiest for you. Okay, so you are going to get 2 of each of these papers. So this first one is called 3x4 journaling cards, obviously because it's got all the 3x4 journaling cards on it. And I love all of the navy blue and the wood grain. I'm obsessed with navy blue lately. So that is what those 2 papers look like. So we've got the side A and the side B. Then we have this pretty floral, which is super duper cute. I love it. There's a close-up. And then a nice gingham on the back. This paper is called Liberty Floral. And this is what they look like side by side. Okay, then you're going to get the 4x4 journaling cards. And it has a stars and stripes banner kind of background. And then you have the 4x4s. So those are the two, the front and the back. Okay. Then we have this flag paper or banner paper, whatever you want to call it. And then this cute like pinwheel paper. This one's called Independence Banners. I super love both sides. And that's the awesome thing about buying these Echo Park kits is that you do get 2 of each paper. So that is the great thing. Okay, then we have the 4x6 cut apart sheet. Really, really love these. And then on the back, stars. I love it. That's so awesome. I can't wait to use these papers and everything. I love the colors red, white, and blue. And it's not just because I'm American. They just go really well together, right? Oh my goodness. Come on, papers. Okay, work with me here. So there are the 2 sides, the A and the B. And sorry I'm sniffling. Allergies are starting to hit me finally. So yeah, I am sniffling a huge amount lately. Okay, so this is the next piece of paper. I think this is the last one. This one is called Celebrate Fireworks. And of course, this pattern is my favorite. If you've been following me, you know I love patterned papers, and like the busier the better. Really, sometimes. It has to be like a neutral busy, if that makes any sense. I do have a hard time using really, really busy patterns, but I do love this one. And then this is the other side of it, just this red gingham, red and white gingham. So I love this kit so much. I am totally going to dive into it right now. Oh, I almost forgot the most exciting part, stickers. How could I forget the stickers? So this is just the element stickers. Comes with a lot of red, white, and blue little word stickers, which I absolutely love. Another thing that I love, a couple border stickers, and then some cute sayings, and just really fun things about freedom and America and Independence Day. So I am super excited to use this kit. Like I said, I'm going to turn this off and probably jump into using it right away. I have no idea what pictures I'm going to use, but I'm super excited to add this to my collection of 4th of July themed products. And yeah, I hope that you will come on over using my link down below. If you're not a subscriber to the Kit Club already, use my link below because I do get a small commission from that, and it helps me out just a little bit as oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I can't talk. As a design team member. I do appreciate your support and your love. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you soon. Bye!